first exposure to this type of business was when I was in sales, and I learned from talking to most of the clients in the field that there was a lot of problems with the reproducibility of products, and that they would get one batch of material from a supplier and it would work one way, and they'd get a second batch from the same supplier and it wouldn't work the same way at all. So I started to investigate the reproducibility problems evolving around this materials, and it became rather obvious that manufacturers weren't paying any attention because they didn't think it was important. And so I got to the point where I got all of that I could get out of being a salesperson, and I turned my attention to figuring out how to make this material much more reproducible, and especially for markets that we were interested in, which were things like forensic science and clinical science. And so I ended up being half a salesman and half a technician and chemist. And when we finally cracked the question and figured out how to do it in a reproducible manner, I turned my attention to developing a business which could supply the market with a very critical reproducible product. And from that day on, we got a lot of attention from clinical companies and forensic companies because they learned that we knew how to do it and how to do it really well.